everyone, so welcome to my video series of me basically freaking out over how young BTOB looks in their past music videos, otherwise known as my BTOB Throwback series. I know, a very original name. Yeah, so if this is the first video that you see in my BTOB series, just letting you know, this is the third video. So every week I'm checking out 3 music videos from BTOB, specifically their Korean music releases. I'm not focusing on their Japanese releases or their solo music. This is specifically just their Korean music videos, and this is more of an appreciation towards BTOB. Once again, I am not new to BTOB. I discovered them back in 2019, thanks to Minhyuk. And I have seen a lot of their music videos, but at the same time, there are some music videos that I haven't seen from BTOB. But anyway, like I said, this series is just an appreciation for BTOB. If you guys have any fun, cool, awesome facts about what happened during this era of BTOB, so basically 2013 and a little bit of 2014, you guys could leave your comments below. So in case anyone is new to BTOB and if they stumble upon this video, they could read your comment and learn more about BTOB. All right, so with all that being said, let's check out 3 more of their music videos. So the first music video that we're gonna be checking out is their song, When I Was Your Man, and then after it's gonna be Thriller, and then after it's gonna be Beep Beep. So this is gonna be a fun video. So with all that being said, let's start off with When I Was Your Man, and yeah, let's check it out. I'm a free man now. I love how classy they look. Look at Eunkwang with glasses, man. He looks so good. And Hyunsik. Ah! He has the voice of an angel. Sungjae. And Changsub. Are they all blonde in this video? Is it me or do they all look, they have some sort of shade of blonde? Yes? No? Maybe? Oh no, just kidding. Look at Minhyuk. Come on, tell me. This song is a classic. Like, I just melt. Specifically with this song, I listen to it and I just want to like melt. It's just, I love it so much. Oh my gosh. I love their vocals. I love their vocals. Have they performed this with a live band before? Oh my gosh, like with a live jazz band? I love the suspenders on Ilun. Oh, this song is so good. Come on, like, I'm sure everybody melts listening to this. I mean, I love the melody, their harmonies, just like... like, I want to, like, go to a cafe and just listen to this song. Or, like, a nice swanky bar or something, like a jazz club, right? It's just that type of vibe. I love the piano. And again, I just... it would be so cool with, like, a live jazz band. Look at Peniel. And Minhyuk is rapping. I love how Peniel always gets the iconic lines. Like, I feel like all of his lines are so, like, you just remember them. I gotta say, Changsub looks so good. Dang. I could listen to this song all day. I love the whole vibe of the song. It sounds classy and sophisticated, and it's just, that's so good. Oh, come on. So this video was released like in their second year of being a group, right? Because they debuted in 2012 and this was in 2013. And they've already covered several genres already in their music. Here it is just classy, kind of jazzy, and it's like, and I love that it really showcases their vocals too, because I know that they have songs that really definitely showcases their rap verses and stuff, but here it's just like, you hear the melody, you hear the harmonies, and it's just so beautiful, and the piano, and then the brass, and then their harmonies, and it's like, you could listen to it all day, because it is just so easy on the ears. Like, it's just so smooth and soft, and it's like a cup of tea or like a nice latte or something, if that makes any sense. But seriously, this song is so beautiful, and if you guys know if they did perform this with a live band, please let me know. I will be doing my own research on that. But BTOB's vocals with a live jazz band, that seems like a match made in heaven. All right, so the next music video is Thriller. I'm excited for this. I'm sure you guys are excited. We're all excited. All right, so let's check this out. Ooh, yes, it's gonna be dark. Oh my gosh, it does remind me of Thriller. Oh my gosh. How have I not seen this before? Is this BTOB? Hello, sirs. This is so good. Oh my gosh. Look at Changsub. I'm sorry, Sungjae just like completely, oh my gosh. And then the eyes and it just, Sungjae, sir. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't. Is this BTOB? Hello? Look at Ilhoon. Oh my gosh. I love this whole crazy concept theme going. It's like, it's perfect for Halloween. Oh, and he has the different colored contacts. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, hold on. We gotta appreciate that. Wait. That. Dang. And with the eyes and the... Oh my gosh. And Hyunsik. Come on. And Peniel. Wait. I feel like I'm looking like at an alternate universe version of BTOB. What the heck? Oh my gosh, and Changsub. Oh my gosh, this song needs to go viral again. It needs, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is... I can't believe what I'm watching. Oh my gosh. This is too much hotness in one video. I can't. No. How is this man real? Like, oh my gosh, I feel like everyone is my bias wrecker in this video. I love it so much. Oh my gosh, I can't. Man, they must have worked out a lot for this video, especially Hyunsik and Minhyuk, right? Oh my gosh. And I haven't even talked about the choreography yet. Wow. Oh my gosh. Give me a couple of minutes to process this. Can we just appreciate once again the duality of BTOB? Like I feel like this was an alternate universe version of BTOB. Like, I mean, comparing Second Confessions, okay, to Thriller. Like, how are they the same group? How are they the same group? And even with their debut music video, Insane and stuff, like, I love how they could just do anything, basically. Like, any concept. They could do it. Oh my gosh. How is it that I haven't seen this music video before? How? That's... How have I never seen this? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm trying to process the fact that I haven't seen this music video till today. Where was I? What's wrong with me? Like, why has it taken me so long to stumble upon this amazing music video? This is definitely one of my top favorite music videos of BTOB now. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. I'm gonna be rewatching it all day now. How did you guys feel the first time you watched this music video? Please let me know. I can't stop thinking about Hyunsik and Minhyuk, like, and Sungjae. The first few seconds of Sungjae, I couldn't even speak. I was trying to process what I was seeing. Okay, anyway, we gotta move on. So the next music video is Beep Beep, so let's check this out, even though I'm still trying to process Thriller, but it's fine. Let's move on. Oh my gosh. I love how Sungjae was in the car looking so innocent. The camera loves that man, what can I say? Hyunsik, this man. Peniel and Changsub, oh my gosh. This is one of the most catchy songs. Oh my gosh, this is such a classic. Look. Oh, I just. I love the choreography, how they just like. Minhyuk is in the middle. And, can we just appreciate his rap? Hold on. We gotta go back and appreciate that. This man, I feel like he is such an underappreciated rapper. Like, people gotta appreciate his raps more. Look at Peniel and Eunkwang. I actually like how they're styled. I mean, from what I can see from the most part. I don't know about the plaid though, but it is what it is. I love seeing, like, they have their more, like, cool side in this music video. Oh, and now we got some classy looking side, yes. Duality Kings, what can I say? Look at how fine they look, what the heck? Dang. Like, that's a great, oh my gosh. How? And then it's like the stark contrast right here. Like, like, everybody wants to join that. I want to join that. That's a party right there. Come on. That is so cool. I love the choreography and, like, the lighting and stuff. They must have had such a fun time in this music video. I'm just saying. Do. I love that dance move. Yes. Come on. You got BTOB and they're dancing with a bunch of girls and stuff. Like, that's something that I feel like that groups nowadays would not do. Right? I love it. Look at that. I love it. Again, Comedy Kings. They got to turn it around. I love it. I absolutely love that. Oh my gosh, I love them. Once again, BTOB, Comedy Kings. So in this music video, it shows their more cool side, like kind of like bad boy vibes type of thing, you know? And then in one part of the song, it's like classy and they're all like in suits and stuff. And it's like, how are these men so good looking? And then it goes back to them being super cool and stuff, dancing with the girls and just having a good time. And then at the end, they get the parking ticket. And that's just classic BTOB. Like, I love that they add that like comedic element to it. I feel like wherever BTOB goes, it's always a party. And you can always count on them to bring a smile to people's faces. That's for sure. So usually in this BTOB Throwback video series, I only focus on the music videos. However, because I really like the choreography from Thriller and from Beep Beep, I will be checking out their choreography videos. I know that a lot of you guys recommend that I watch their live performances, and trust me, I know how amazing they are live. Trust me, I know. But the thing is, I can't upload my reaction to music shows because music shows are heavily copyrighted, and I don't want to deal with music show copyright issues stuff. But with all that being said, let's check out their choreography videos for Thriller and Beep Beep. So let's start with Thriller. Oh my gosh. Can we just appreciate the quality of this? Ooh, oh my gosh, the camera edits. I love that too. And then I like how they slide too. Sungjae, this man. Come on. Wait, Changsub? Dang. He was styled so good. Like that haircut. I like how they got information there. And I like how they jumped there. Come on. And red-haired Minhyuk. What can I say? Yes. I like how the camera angles, like, I love that part. In every part of the dance practice room. I love how they're so into it. Yes. Come on. I love that part. I love how Ilhun was in the center and then he kind of like moved out of the center, like more towards the front. I love that. And this part with Hyunsik and how they move like that. Yes. Whoever choreographed this, good job. This is impeccable. Look at Peniel. And like, even after all these years, like, this is still top tier choreography. And I like how the guys are still doing the choreography while Changsub is in the middle singing. And like, it has iconic movements to it too. And I love how Eunkwang just kind of like goes out like that. And I like how all the members really get into the song and they're like, they get into character. Oh, my favorite part with Minhyuk. Yes. And then how all the members kind of do like different positions. And then they come together. Look, oh my gosh, this man. His perfect moment to flex. That's his time to flex. And he knows it. I love it. Oh, again, the formations of how they spread out and then come back together and stuff. Look at how, like, look at Sungjae with his bang. Like, looking all emo and stuff. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, they're doing that, like, the ending fairy pose that now, like, all the second gen idols do. And, like, third gen idols. The ending fairy that they're, like, breathing heavily. BTOB started it, apparently. Let's check out Beep Beep. I love it. Is the camera moving, like, slightly? I love how they all, like, pause, like, they do the different movements. I love that. Ah! Oh my gosh. Come on. Even to this day, there's a lot of groups that still do that movement. It's iconic. What can I say? I love that part when Changsub kicked and, like... I love it. Come on, this is iconic. This is timeless and it's iconic. Oh my gosh, Minhyuk. I love that part when they all got together, just like... Oh my gosh, Eunkwang. Oh my goodness, wait, hold on. Look at how they just... Even their performances are funny. Oh my gosh, I love them. I love that, dude. Oh my gosh. Like, you could tell what year this was from just by how they're styled, and I love it. Come on. I love how they get into formation. Is Ilhoon wearing a coat, sir, in a dance practice? Are you kidding me? Compared to Peniel, at least he's wearing like a tank top. Oh, I love that movement. And then they slowly walk back. How is Ilhoon wearing a freaking coat? Sir, you must be sweating. And then again, Sungjae's wearing a beanie. I love how they had like a 5-second break there and then it's like, all right, back to it. Come on. The snapback hats, the snapback. Oh my gosh, it must have been so fun to perform this live. Like, the energy must be so crazy when it's live. Oh my gosh, did you, whoa. Hold on. Did you see how Ilhoon just traveled back and all the members got into formation? That man must have traveled a lot. Look at that. Hold on. There, do. Oh my goodness. Wow. I love that part. Do. Yes, different camera angle. Yes. Do. Tell me, like, this is an amazing choreography. Again, props to the choreographer. That was so good. What can I say? Their choreographies and their music, it's just timeless. I mean, Thriller and Beep Beep, for sure. Like, I love the choreographies. Props to the choreographer again. And props to BTOB for all of them doing the choreography. Their formations, their synchronization, and especially how they get into the song is amazing. I absolutely love it. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed this very long video of BTOB Throwback series. So next week we're going to be checking out 3 more of their music videos, and it is You're So Fly, We Can Cry, and The Winter's Tale. So I hope you guys join me in my next BTOB Throwback series video. And remember, if you guys have any cool fun facts about BTOB during this era, leave them on the comments below, and also which songs are your favorites, again, from this era. You guys can let me know on the comments below. So if you guys are new to my channel, hello and welcome. You guys could feel free to subscribe. I post reaction videos on a weekly basis. And I also have a blog where I talk more about K-pop comebacks. I'll link my blog on the description box below so you guys could check it out. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for sticking to the end of this video. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.